Where is he taking us? Where are you taking us? Oh, look, Chucky. Look, Jace. You want to be Chucky? You don't want to be Chucky, Jace? Jace? No? Let me see, babe. Where is he? You like a big ass kid. I like that Chucky. I like that Chucky, Jace. Look at that clown.
Why did the ghost
Oh yeah, just you gotta find. You have to find a costume. What do you want? He's showing you the pickaxe.
Those are my kind of. And Mom, that's spider. What is that pumpkin? Give me. You want to feel this? Oh wait, it's looking. That spider would jump scare you. I'm not lying. That would jump scare you.
Hey.
This is why I censor it. Censor it. Yeah. Wait, no, Mommy, censor it.
You gotta push the button, I think.
Wait, this is way better.
No? No, it ain't doing nothing.
What's that?
I don't know.
I know this.
You know, I wasn't
Way better.
here. Ooh, watch yourself, boy. You gonna knock into the thing? Which one?
Happy death.
What about the Mike Myers? How'd that one look? I didn't even see
That was good. I didn't get to record you with that one. That was good.
Nah, that's something.
But that's $70.
Wait, why do I see Soul? Jigsaw right there?
Yeah, so.
I found one too.
I like that.
I found Jason.
You like that one?
I found Jason. What is that one?
What?
Sword skills.
Slaying demons?
No, my sword skills. I just need a sword.
All right, let's see. Go. Let's see your sword skills.
Hey, stop. That hurt, man. Stop.
Look. Yes. Face back up. Back up. Look at this. I need straight. This is way too long. Add it down.
Go. Jace, move. He wants to show us his sword skills. Oh, okay.
I'm ready for a sword. All you need is just a sword. And that's easy.
A sword for what? As
No.
Dracula?
No. Practice sword skills. Mommy, look. Look, Mommy. Ow. This looks like Thor's hammer. This looks like Thor's hammer. You do this.
Yeah, kinda.
It doesn't more have. Ow.
You go somewhere else now? Look, there's Donald Trump.
Hey, beat him up.
I like how this looks.
Attack Donald Trump.
That mask is perfect for you.
Okay, whatever.
A gorilla.
Oh, I could try this one because it has the humans and give me the soul.
Yeah.
I would have been the soul taker if I wasn't a dang vampire.
So which one you want to try?
This one.
That one, the soul taker? Let me see what size it is.
I would have been.
That one says that's an extra large, so that should fit. So here, let's take the extra large and let's take the large.
The skeleton glows in the dark. It says the skeleton glows in the dark.
Oh, okay.
So when it's nighttime and all this trick or treating, you glow.
Yeah, you like that one? You like that one too?
Yeah. But I'm gonna do this one for now.
You want to try this one instead? Okay, here.
This one has this one's
Oh, it has eyes.
Yeah, this
Is
one
that
has,
what it is?
Yeah, this one just has
What is it?
just has eyes.
Or it requires battery so the eyes glow up. So you want to try this one too?
No, I want to try
You
this
like this one? Okay,
Yeah.
let's try this one.
I would have been Soul Taker if I
All right, take these two. It wasn't as good. Jump on that one.
Jace, jump on that.
Jump on it, Troy.
Not expect that. It's supposed to jump on you. It's supposed to do that. Then, move this one. But it stakes are over it. I'm scared of this one. Yeah, Mommy, we can get those. We can get some tombstones somewhere. You're lit. It's a witch broom. Stop. Get it back.
That one's cool. Fresh grave mount. That's cool.
Mommy, look.
It's $15.
Mommy, look at this. Come here.
It looks like he's got a grave outside.
Mommy, come here. Come here. Look at this. Look at this. Look what I'm going to do. All hair.
What?
I said all hair. All hair, Jesus. Mom, look. I said all hair, Jesus. What is that? A dog. Look at this.
What is that?
Give me your camera.
Oh, wow.
It's supposed to be a cheese.
Oh, wow.
I can put it up here. That's what FGTV did. It did shot of his dragon gun.
That's what that is, a neck chain. Oh, wow. And you're going to drag him around like a dog?
That's big. Drag me around. Working. You're not supposed to work at night. You're supposed to hang them up in your purse.
Jace, why are you carrying around this Jason mask? That's not for you.
I can wear it, Jace.
You got bendy.
What if I refuse to move, Jace? What if I don't move? This is a move. You're gonna break it if you keep moving. You have to move.
Oh. That's like it. That's like the hand from Adam's Family.
Here.
They don't have those, so.
Daddy, look at this. They're supposed to crawl on the ground. Mommy, when people come, they're supposed to press this button and it crawls on the ground like this.
Oh, okay.
You need some holy water. Stop, Jace.
Oh, goodness.
Stop.
I used to be a witch all the time when I was a little girl. I was always a witch. I want to be a devil. I said that'll be good when the baby comes. The baby could be an angel and I'll be a devil.
I want a sword. Like, you can stop it. Mommy, you can do this and you can stop it by pressing it again.
All right, go put that down.
All right, let's go.